In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you've ever missed an Instagram alert or just want something that stands out, changing the notification sound can make a big difference. The exact method depends on whether you're using Android or iOS, so I'll walk you through both clearly and simply, along with a few helpful tips to avoid common confusion. Let's start on Android. Open the Instagram app, go to your profile, and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu. Head into Settings, then Notifications. Here, look for an option like Additional Options in the System or something labeled Default Sound. Tapping that will send you to your phone's system notification settings for Instagram. In those system settings, choose Default Notification Sound and pick the tone you prefer from the list. And that sets your general Instagram alert tone. If you want more control, Android is great for that. You can customize sounds for different Instagram notification categories. Go to your device's settings, then apps, find Instagram, and open notifications. You'll see categories like Instagram direct messages, comments, and more. Tap a category, then choose sound and select a different tone for each one. This is especially useful if you want DMs to sound different from likes or comments. Keep in mind that menu names can vary by phone manufacturer, and on some Android devices, you can change Instagram sounds directly in the app's notification menu without jumping into system settings. If you see a sound or default sound option inside Instagram settings, use it there. Now for iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap Sounds and Haptics. Choose text tone or the default alerts option, then pick the sound you want. This sets your default notification sound for many apps, including Instagram. If notifications aren't appearing the way you expect, go to Settings, then Notifications, scroll to Instagram, and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. From there, choose where alerts appear, like lock screen, notification center, and banners, and set your preferred style. One important note: iOS doesn't natively allow a unique Instagram only notification sound. The system wide alert tone is used unless Instagram introduces a custom option in the future. That's the complete process for both platforms. Choose the method that matches your device, and you'll have a clearer, more personalized notification experience. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical Instagram tips and tutorials.